Shirli and I are here at the Spring Kentucky Woodsmen gathering at Fishpond Lake in Letcher County, Kentucky. And we drove up and decided that despite the forecast for a lot of rain, we were going to follow through with our plans, and we came to Letcher County and we did a wet weather setup, an impromptu deal. We've got tarps and stuff employed to keep us as dry as possible, but we're here already having a good time. It's a relaxing setting, it's quiet, it's peaceful. There's a beautiful little lake here and some wonderful front burner people that we're meeting. We're going to be capturing some of the stuff that goes on this weekend and sharing it here on the channel, just sharing our adventure with you.
Me myself, I work for food. I'm down here. He was trying to do two things at one time. He lost control of his coffee. I thought, well, I'll step on in there.
He took it and I was back up and there you go. Is that why you like him, Brenda?
Yep. Take it.
He's dangerous. I'm getting away. I'll be back with camera though.
And that thing is red, glowing. I see flakes coming off of it.
So we'd do that with
We'll go one more time, curve just a little bit more, and then we'll tap this side down.
Yeah, so you're trying to take this edge back over here?
Now we're here in the Cochran camp, and John's going to demonstrate how to use the blow drill to get a fire going. Yes, sir, buddy. Blow drill. Don't leave home without it. Sunday morning, Fishpond Lake. It's foggy on the lake. His family came in last night and set up. A granddad and his two grandsons. The grandsons call him Poppy. First time I heard one of them little boys call out Poppy, I turned around to look because I thought it was one of my grandsons calling me. Chris is packing up his gear. Carolina Chris. James is already pulled out. Folks, we've had a really good time here at Fishpond Lake at the Kentucky Woodsmen gathering of 2021. I want to thank you for coming along with us and enjoying the adventure that we've been on, the one that started out with a lot of rain, but the weekend's been beautiful, and we had the opportunity to meet some great folks. Some of them we had never met face to face, but we've been talking back and forth with via the marvel of the internet for years now, and finally had the opportunity to meet them. We met some more people that we had just made contact with recently in this outdoor community, and we met a lot of other people that we had no idea who they were when they got here. So it's been great and we've enjoyed it. I want to invite you to get outdoors. Get outdoors and make it an adventure. We'll see you on the next one.